Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is another day, day 8 from the 12 days of Christmas, and we are going to be making a Santa cam. This is a Dollar Tree DIY. I'm using this fake security camera, and I've made something similar before as being an elf cam. So you can buy letter stickers. But if you look here, this has a little security camera. It's a fake one. And you just add 2 AA batteries. And it does all the work for you. So we'll put these batteries in first. And then we'll see where the light is. And there's the light. So you could see that light in there. And you could see there's a little camera in there. So we're going to put that straight down. And then I've got some washi tape that I'm going to use. And all we're going to do is put this washi tape right around the bottom here. I'm looking to see where I need to cut that. We're going to undo the back, so it's actually sticker tape rather than washi tape, right? Okay, there we go. This is the hardest part. So we're going to take, I'm going to start at the back. That's why you want that light on first, so you know exactly where this is starting. And we're just going to go all the way around. And that way you know that the front is going to be without any seams. So when you start at the back. And I'm just pulling this off as I go. Push down to see if that turns it on or off. But I love that it's blinking. And this would make such great decor for outdoor, indoor, whatever you'd like. And then it just meets right around in the back perfectly. So we have that there. I just want to make sure it's all on there. Then again, you can take your letters. I happen to have a cutout that says Santa Cam on it. And this one is done. Let's see here. I'm going to cut it right there. This one is done with just the Cricut, a basic Cricut cut. And it already has, I don't know what in the heck. Oh, here we go. So I'm going to put Santa right here at the top. We're going to rub those letters in there. I'm going to get that nice and on there. I'm going to use my bone folder just to really make sure that's stuck on there. And then the light is there, the camera is there, so I'm going to use the cam part. I'm going to try a different, there we go. I have to remember the tools are there for a reason. And I'm going to go down here with the cam. And then making sure everything sticks on there. Again, if you do this with stickers, you're just going to place your stickers right down and you'll get it perfect every time. And then so I made elf cams last year, very similar to this one. And somebody had asked me, one of you beauties asked me if I'm selling them, and I'm no longer selling them this year, but I did want to show you so you can make them yourself, that they are very easy, very quick, and so cute. So there's my Santa cam. I'll just put that out, and I will leave it out through Christmas. So that my littles, when they come over to visit, will see the Santa cam and know that they are being watched to see if they're being naughty or nice. All right, beauties, if you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. If you make it, please make sure to post that on my Beauty and the Stamper Facebook page. I'd love to see your creations, and I hope to see you again soon. Hope your holiday season is going well. All right, have a good day. Bye.